Based on the advanced industrial manufacturing of Europe and the United States, Shanghai PAIXIE Packing Machinery Company Limited, standing on its own rich experience, with years of development, had formed an automatic filling and packaging line of the series of products with high quality, high technology content, and we can customize a variety of liquid filling production lines according to different requests of customers, such as paste filling production lines, small volume filling production lines, and so on. Our company is capable of designing, manufacturing, and installing. We offer both good after-sales service and long-term supply of components and quick wear parts at a favorable price. Our products have the first-class quality, favorable price, full service, and enjoy a good reputation in domestic and overseas.